Here we go. 14, whoop, it's upside down for you guys. 14 minus 5. You can type it in, you can show us on your fingers, or you can say it out loud. Say 14 in your head and you're going to count back 5 times. Good. 9. If you got 9, say booyah. 16 minus 7. Big numbers today. You can type it, you can say it. Muhammad, that's not what the chat is for, buddy. We can talk privately later, okay? I'm sorry. Brendan, what do you got, buddy?
I can't see you.
You can't see me? It's not me, it's this screen that has the flashcard and it's got my hand on it. Do you see it?
But not for me. I can't see your circle either, Mrs. Jordan.
Not my circle, you gotta pin the board, how we do math. Remember, you go to the chat, then go to the side for people.
I can only see 2 circles of you.
You gotta find my circle that has the mic muted and click on the E.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes, I found it.
Woohoo! Brendan, did you find it?
I found it.
Do it. Show me. I don't know how. But
You know where the chat is, buddy?
Huh?
Okay, do you see next to the chat, does it say people?
Okay, we gotta go people. Okay. You see her? This one?
Yeah.
That one's it? Like that? There we go. Finally see her.
We see you now.
Yay, good job. Good problem solving. If you said 9, say, oh yeah. This one we should know really fast. 4 minus 3. Show me on your finger. You can type it in or you can say it out loud. Woohoo, got some math whizzes. 1.
1,
Good job. 10 minus 2.
2, 8.
8, good. Remember, we want to know these speedy. 11 minus 4.
6.
Not 6, close. Very close.
5.
Not 5. Good, Cheyenne.
Yes, it's
7. 11 minus 4 is 7. Let's do a couple more. 13 minus 6. Good, Robert. Good, Muhammad. Good, Cheyenne. Good, Landry. If you said 7, say, oh yeah. Let's do 11 minus 2. Say 11 and count back 2 times. 9. Okay. 3 more. 10 minus 6. 4. Good, Benny. 12 minus 4. 8. If you said 8, you are great. Good job. Last one, we should know this one. 10, take away 1. 9. Good job. You should know those facts. We are going to be on page 30.
Mr. Huda,
Yes, Blake.
all I can see is your circle, and I keep trying to type on the right one, but it's just not letting me do it.
Okay, maybe you need to find an adult, Blake, to help you. It sounds like you're doing the right things, but your iPad's being stubborn. We are on page 35.
Make sure you mute it.
I'm going to type it in the chat if you forget. We are on page 35. When you got it, raise the roof. Looks like this.
39.
35. Close. 35. 3, 5. Good, Benny. Yes, Cheyenne? Oh, you're raising the roof? All right. Good, Brendan. I see you're ready.
Miss Yoda, what number is Mom again?
I put it in the chat, buddy. 35.
In the chat? My tablet died, so that's why it made me.
Okay, I'm happy you got back on. Good job, Antoine. All right, I'm not sure if my friends are ready. Give me a thumbs up. Like, you got it, dude. I'm ready. Oh, there we go. Now I'm seeing some friends. All right. It says we are going to think addition to subtract. You're going to think addition to subtract. So remember, when you have addition, your answer, your sum is going to be a bigger number or smaller number? Who can tell me? Angel?
Smaller number.
Oh, when I'm adding. When I add two numbers, is my answer going to be bigger or smaller? Brendan?
Bigger.
Bigger. Think about if Miss Yoda had, trying to get my marker here. If I had 2 circles and I get 3 more, is my answer going to be, do I have more or less? Cheyenne?
More.
Right, more. When you add, your numbers get bigger. But now if I had 3 and I take away 2, is my number going to be bigger or smaller? Smaller. So subtraction, your number gets smaller. So we're going to have to think addition to subtract. This is our strategy. And looks like we're in outer space. And our cool outer space dude says, solve and share. Do you see that? The green box. Follow along while I read it, please. How can you use an addition fact to find 14 minus 6? Use counters to help show how. Well, if we don't have counters, we can do circles. So let's make, how many circles do you think? Jax?
1.
Well, I want to figure out 14 minus 6. So how many do you think I'm going to need? Antoine?
I wasn't raising my hand.
Oh, you weren't raising your hand? I'm sorry, buddy. It looked like you were raising. Oh my goodness, guys, if we're going to use counters for 14 minus 6, how many circles do we need to draw first? Blake?
We would put 14 circles and then X out 6 and then
All right,
count how many's left.
Beautiful. Love that explanation. Good job, Blake. Kiss your brain. You need right now to make 14 circles. Try to keep your circles in a nice line so you don't get messed up or leave one behind, okay? Everyone do that now. Go. Okay, can you go on the side and show them on the chat how to find me? 1, 2, thank you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Here's what mine looks like.
Why is this in the straight line?
I have my 14 circles. Yes, Blake?
Can I go use the restroom?
Yes, you may. Just remember, leave your tablet, okay? Yes, Benny?
I think I know the answer.
Okay, don't tell me yet. So, I have my 14. I didn't cross off any yet. Who can tell me? How many do I need to cross off? I'm going to do 14 minus 6. How many do I need to cross off? Landry?
6.
6. All right, I'm going to count mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now what do? How do I get my answer for 14 minus 6? I made my 14 and I crossed off 6, but how do I know what my answer is? Benny? Livy, no thank you.
It's 8.
It's 8. How'd you get 8?
It's because I crossed out 6.
Crossed off 6, and then what'd you do with the rest of them?
I counted them.
I counted them. Good. So you should have 2, 4, 6, 8. So 14 minus 6 is 8. So we got the subtraction part, but how are we going to use addition? How can you make an addition sentence? Think about what we know about those fact families, and you can rearrange your add-ins. How can you change 14 minus 6 equals 8 into an addition problem using the same numbers? Blake? I love your participation, buddy.
Can I use a double?
How would you use a double? Explain to me.
So, make six circles and put 6 more circles equals 12.
Okay, but how many do we want to get to? Not 12, you're close.
14.
14. So you could still use that strategy. I like it, Blake. Blake's saying that he could make 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because they gave him 6. He knows he needs 14.
I can't see the bottom.
Where the has not been on the water this year. 5,000 firm needs a little skills.
Mrs. Jehoda,
Yes, Cheyenne.
I can't see the bottom. We'll see the circle.
Do you have your circles?
No, I don't see the math thing.
What page are you on, Sweet Pea?
I mean, well, the paper we're on, I just see the circles that we drew.
Okay, that's all where we are right now. We're still talking about the circles. So, Blake's...
Jehoda,
Yes.
I only can see your circle.
Okay, do you remember how to fix that? You gotta go where the chat is and go to people and then find the Miss Jehoda that has the mic turned off. You got it, Leah?
After we cross off the circles, after that, there's nowhere we write the answers to that.
Yeah.
What are we doing with the one above it?
That's what we're talking about right now, Miss Riley. Blake told us that we could make 6 more circles because I know that 6 of the 14 are gonna be there. Then I can count on. I'm gonna make circles somewhere else until I get to 14. I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then I can count those. So that tells me what? 6 plus how many will equal 14? Landry?
Maybe 6 plus 7 will equal 14.
So close. Count your circles. So close. Not 7. Everyone right now make 6 circles on your paper. Yes, Livy?
I know what the answer is already.
Okay, hold on. I want everyone to make 6 circles on their paper. I love it, Blake. Blake's giving me a thumbs up. So is Cheyenne. So I know, and Brendan, that they have their 6 circles. Brianna, you got your 6 circles, babe? You ready? All right, now we're going to make more circles away from those 6 until we get to 14. So you have 6, make another circle. How many do you have now? 7, make another one. You should have 8, keep going because we want to stop at 14. 9, make another one. 10, 11, oh, I should see you making circles. 12, we're almost there. Another one. 13, and finally 14. Now count how many circles you made after your 6. So you should have 6, and then how much is in your other group? Jax?
8.
8. So that tells us you can make an addition sentence. 6 plus 8 equals 14. Blake, sit up, please. Flip your page. Marker. Let's look at the top. It says find 15 minus 7. One way to subtract is to think addition. So, how many circles should I make if I'm going to do 15 minus 7? Benny?
15.
We want to do addition. Other number. Not 15. You're going to make the second number, the smaller number. Landry?
So, what are we doing right now?
Riley, you're listening, babe, because I called on Landry. Landry, how many circles are we going to make?
7.
7. Everyone right now up at the top, kind of where your little dude is. Make 7 circles. Try to keep them all together. There's my 7. Good, Brendan. Good, Benny. Good, Riley. I have 7 circles. How many do I need? Leah? Yes, 15. So over here, away from those, I'm going to make more circles and count on until I get to 15. So I have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that tells me 7 plus 8 equals 15. Oh, I'm upside down. You see how I use the second number and I use that strategy of counting on to help me solve a subtraction problem. Give me thumbs up, thumbs to the side, or thumbs down. Does that make sense? Using that counting on strategy. Remember, be honest. We can do another one. Let's do another one. One that's not on your paper. Okay, so find somewhere on your paper. This one's not on there, but we're going to do another practice one. So we have 12 minus 5. They don't want us to do 12 minus 5. They want us to think of addition. They want us to do it like this. 5 plus blank equals 12. So I like the circles. So how many circles should we make? If we're going to count on, you don't want the big number, how many should we make?
Mrs. Jehoda,
Yes, Clarence.
can I go use your bathroom?
Yes, you may, buddy.
Okay.
Friends, how many circles are we going to make to count on? Leah. 5. Good job. Make your 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we want to get to how many? Cheyenne?
12.
12. Good. So I'm going to move away from these 5 and I'm going to make more circles and I'm going to stop when I get to 12. So if I have 5, I make another one. I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Once I have those circles, what should I do next? I have my 5 and I have some over here. And when I put them together, they equal 12. So how am I going to figure out what number goes there? What do I need to do? Leah, I'm loving your participation, girlie. Good job. Don't forget to unmute your mic.
I was going to say something else.
What were you going to say?
What page are we on?
This one's not in the book. This one's just an extra example, okay?
Is it on 35 or 34?
We'll be on 36, but this one's not in your book. This is just an extra one, like a bonus. Landry, what am I going to do now?
So you have the 5 and the 12. You're going to put 7 in the middle.
Yeah, I have my 5 here. I need to count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. See how I did that? I made a group. I counted on and used addition. But what do you notice about these equations? I'm going to write them so you can see them a little better. But there is a pattern with these. What is that pattern? What do you notice? Twelve minus 5 equals 12, and 7 plus 5 equals 12. What do you notice about those two equations? I'll give you a hint, the numbers. What do you notice about those? I should see, friends. Snap, clap, hands in your lap. You shouldn't be working in your book or spinning in circles or laying down. Help Miss K and I out. What is the pattern? What do you notice here? 12 minus 5 equals 7. 7 plus 5 equals 12. What do you notice about those? Landry?
That 5 and 7 have been just swapped. Like 5 plus 7 equals 12, and 7 plus 5 equals 12. So they're just swapped.
Air 5, dude. Yes, you are correct. It's like a fact family. You have the same numbers, but different order and a different sign. Let's look at number 1 in your book on page 36, number 1. I'm going to write it on my board so you can see. You have 6 minus 4 equals question mark. So 4 plus what equals 6? Wants you to use addition to help you. Well, what number is going to fit in that sentence? If you're following along in your book, they did this one for you. So what'd you get, Clarence? Oh, I thought I heard you say the answer.
Mr. Hoda,
Yes.
I was just going to say if I can use the bathroom.
Yes, Angel, you may. Jax, what's up?
I know 2.
Okay, hold on. I called on Jax. I tried to call on different friends, okay? Yes, Jax. What do you got for your answer, buddy? If you're following along in your book, your answer's right there in the book. 2. He is correct. 2 would go there because 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 minus 4 equals 2. You try number 2 by yourself. Number 2 is 9 minus 3. I'm going to write mine. You do number 2 and then stop. You can use the circles if you want, or use your fact families. Good job. I see my friends writing. When you know it, you can make a silly face. Oh, I love your guys' silly faces. Okay, back to students. Who wants to share? Who wants to share their answer? What'd you get? Riley?
Six.
Riley got 6. Anybody else get 6? Me too. If you got 6, say, I'm a genius. You could have made your 3 circles and then drew more until you got to 9. Or if you knew your fact families. Good job. Let's try one last one. Let's do number 3. Do number 3 by yourself. I'm going to do mine over here too.